So if you want to learn Go programming language and don't know yet how to install it and write your first hello world program, then you are in the right place, because I'll just install it, write my first hello world program. To install it on your Windows or Mac or Linux, just go to go.dev, and this is the official website now for Go. And from here you can just simply download your installer. Let's download it on my downloads folder. So I have downloaded the Go installer, this one. Let's install it. So I'll install it like regular Windows program. Click on yes to allow changing to my PC, and it will be installed. After installing, we'll write our first program. As you can see, Go installation is done. So now let's open my terminal here, pressing Windows and R together and typing CMD and pressing enter. Let's type Go version, and it will show me the version of Go programming language. Currently it is 1.25.7. Okay. So our installation is done. Now it's time to write our first hello world program.